Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two text-to-speech platform, which is Listnr and TTSOpenAI. So to get started with a quick overview, Listnr is a robust text-to-speech platform geared towards content creator, marketers, developers. It offers a realistic AI voice cloning, podcast hosting, and support 100 language plus. Together, on the other side, TTSOpenAI leverage OpenAI state-of-the-art voice model like those behind ChatGPT's voice output, offering a ultra-realistic express speech ideal for apps, narration, human-like voice synthetics. Now, talking about Listnr, what it is best for, what it can be used for, the best part of this is it has a user needing a versatile audio content tools with podcasting, embedding, and wide language support. Then talking about the downside of this platform, it has a less expressive or emotional than OpenAI voice. Some advanced features required higher type plan. Then the voice quality varies by language and voice type. Now, talking about TTSOpenAI or the other side, what is best for? This platform is best for developers and creators seeking a ultra-realistic human-sounding voice for high-quality narration, product, or customer's experience. Then here's a quick downside about this platform. It requires an API setup for most use cases. It has a limited voice language varieties compared to Listnr as on now. It also has no built-in podcasting or audio hosting features. And here's my overall conclusion. So if you want a full service platform for multilingual voiceover, podcasting, and audio publishing, just simply go for Listnr. Then on the other side, if you focus on the most realistic and expressive AI voice for narration, conservation, and interactive app, just go for TTSOpenAI. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two text-to-speech platform. Thanks.